Reliability-centered maintenance, RCM, is a structured process that is used to identify and develop maintenance strategies for complex systems. Here are the steps involved in the RCM process. 1. Identify the system. The first step in the RCM process is to identify the system that requires maintenance. This system could be a machine, equipment, or a process. 2. Gather information. Once the system is identified, the next step is to gather information about the system. This information could include its design, operating parameters, and maintenance history. 3. Define system functions. The next step is to define the system's functions. This involves identifying the primary and secondary functions of the system. 4. Identify causes of failures. The next step is to identify causes of failures for each system function. This involves analyzing the causes and consequences of each potential failure. 5. Determine the likelihood of failure. The next step is to determine the likelihood of each potential failure. This involves analyzing the failure rates and failure modes of similar systems. 6. Determine the consequences of failure. The next step is to determine the consequences of each potential failure. This involves analyzing the safety, environmental, and financial consequences of each failure. 7. Develop maintenance strategies. Based on the likelihood and consequences of each potential failure, the next step is to develop maintenance strategies. These strategies could include preventive maintenance, predictive maintenance, or corrective maintenance. 8. Implement the maintenance strategies. The next step is to implement the maintenance strategies. This involves developing procedures for carrying out maintenance activities and training personnel to carry out maintenance activities. 9. Monitor the results. The final step is to monitor the results of the maintenance strategies. This involves tracking the performance of the system and the effectiveness of the maintenance strategies. It also involves making adjustments to the maintenance strategies as needed.